else?
Yeah, I
I'm not doing something else, but once it start from someone else, then I will
can I
start.
speak?
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Niket,
I
yeah,
will
Niket.
Okay.
start.
So for for starting reading, I purchased 2 year back. I purchased Atomic Habits to make a habit of reading books, and then I purchased Bhagavad Gita in English. Yeah,
Okay.
the thing is that I have read fully Atomic Habits, where I have learned how to work on our habits. But I haven't completed the Bhagavad Gita because I was not understanding the things what it is written. Its English was too high level, so I was not able to mm, understand, and it was not adaptable. Means I don't understand what it is written. I think it needs more practice, more experience in our life. So uh, I I stopped reading this type of things. I read it only one book then. And in my school time, I also used to read things like stories in Hindi, English, and I loved that. I also get motivated in so many stories. Like there was a story in class 12 that was a story of bad luck. I think it's like he is in red trap, and some many more. Like there was a reporter who was reporting a small boy who used to collect the garbage or these type of things, like how he is managing his family and so many types of things. I think reading is a good habit, but the visual things like watching videos and these type of things that makes me removed from these type of things. Uh, I I would really want to read the books, but these type of things like short content, video, and learning from laptops. So it is making me far away from the reading books. I want to make it habit. I used to think I want to make it my habit, but I'm not able to make it apply in practically. So I didn't purchase another book for reading because I'm not punctual on this thing. But this was mistake. This could be mistake, or this could be a distraction type of thing. Like you are so uh, you are adapting the visual things. Means you only dependent on taking any type of information on the YouTube. Like if you want to get some information, so you watch YouTube video or something, read a blog, but you are not shifting to books. So I really want to make it habit, but this is not going to be in my life. So can you suggest the thing like how can I adapt this type of things like reading books? That's all.
Yeah. So nice. Was good.
Great that you are thinking that you want to shift from watching content to reading books. That is the great switch that you want to do in yourself.
Yeah,
But
it is a great thing, but I'm not applying it. That's the worst thing that
I
I'm
think
doing with it.
okay, I want to extend some points of Nikesh that I'm gonna express that what was my experience in reading book and what all books that I have read like ever. So as Nikesh said that watching content on YouTube or any other platform and relying on the internet is not a good way to learn things because these are there could be some possibilities that someday you don't have your laptop, you don't have your mobile, and even you don't have your internet. How can you learn the things if you don't have your habit to read the books, right? It's very good habit that you are able to read the content for 1 hour or for 2 hours, which is written. It like when we were in our school days and we used to speak the books loudly in the whole class. The teacher made us to speak and read the whole chapter in the whole chapter loudly in whole class. We were able to understand the things and we were able to remember the things that we have studied in the 10th class or the ninth class. But nowadays, what we are doing, we are only watching the content, we are watching the short content, we are trying to learn the concept, which take 4 to 5 pages in books, and we are trying to learning that content in 15 seconds or so. That's not the good way. That's only the dopamine injection, and we are not even learning. So I'm sharing my experience that I have read around 2 books that I have completed, and still I'm like reading a book that is a Hindi book, uh, Gunaahon Ka Dev. Right now I'm reading,
Bro,
and The Art of
I,
Being Alone.
I was thinking, you said a Hindi book. I was thinking the Gunaahon Ka Devta, you will say, and you said that thing. How?
How's the
Maybe
experience like when
Bro, I was
how's the
thinking.
experience when you guys read the book? Because I don't have that habit. That is the problem.
Yeah, I'm telling. In the starting, you can just feel exaggerated, or you can just feel a
Yes.
boring type thing. But
I bought a book
when
of
you
Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. I learned
but
something
when you
about
get
it.
but when you get attached to the story, what you are learning in the book, that is the good thing. That like right now I'm learning the Gunaho Ka Devta, and I am totally attached to the characters which are in that book. There are 3 to 4 characters which are the main characters, and like every day I think that when could I learn, when could I read the book, and when could I get the next update? What happened to those life,
Yeah.
right?
It's
Chetram,
like a
So,
picture, like when
I
we
watched
just get
I
we
watched
have the curiosity
recently
to know
on
about the
the
next.
Gunaho Ka Devta in YouTube. It's
mm,
I think it's 3 or 4 hour long. So I think I have watched that fully. Like there's a story of Chandar and Sudha. He used to sleep. I was thinking to buy that book, but I haven't bought that, and I watched that.
you know,
And I was
the
you
best
will
and the best and the best and beautiful thing of reading book is that the if you watch that thing, or if you listen that thing with someone else, that could be finished in 2 to 4 minutes.
Hmm.
The one part. But if you read the book, you'll have to read the 4 pages of that book, right?
Yeah.
So the sentence, the story, and the way of telling the scene in the book, you can just imagine all of your like you have to put your all of the imagination power to imagine the scene which author is trying to describe in the word.
Yeah,
That's
it's
the very
like
beautiful
something
thing
This
of book.
and the
you
author
feel
has
like you are
also
imagining.
like imagined that thing while writing, how he has written that thing,
Yes.
right? So it
Yes.
is important
I
to
think
feel or
that's the
imagine that
beautiful
view.
thing of the book. Like you
suggest
imagine
us
yourself.
suggest a one book that is very interesting that I should buy.
No matter which
Mm,
book you are starting to read, you
because
just
we don't,
and once
we
you
haven't.
start reading, after 1 week, I would say after 1 week you will like really liking that book. But
Because from
you have to start reading the book. A genre,
yes,
which genre you like the romantic, or maybe the fantasy, maybe the self-help book, motivation book. Just pick one book and start reading. Don't think what will happen in the story. Just start reading, and after 1 week, maybe 7 to 15 days, you will be like liking that book too much.
actually I have left the habit to read the book.
You know,
When I was in the school, every day I read the book in the
because
class,
I think so
like
we
chapter.
are not getting the related content which we actually want. Like I was trying to start the reading books in I think first or second year, and so I was searching on the Google that where should I start, as Mahek asked us to which book should I read first. So I picked one which is like I have started the Bhagavad Gita, Vada Bhagavad Gita, and as Nikesh said, it was a little quite complicated to understand, and I thought this thing I know, in the first when I was reading that, I thought
I want to
this thing I
read.
know. Then I switched to the modern books, which was one of the book, Focus on What Matters, and I was reading that before 6 or 7 months. I just read around 10 to 15 pages, and the conclusion I got that the books by Darius Forex, and it is the collection of the 70 letters he has written. So this is the one letter. He has talked about the stoicism in that book. Like stoicism means, suppose if someone has lost his job, like I have lost his job recently. Okay, then what could I do? I could just anxious with this thing that I have lost the job. I could just sad, or I could just cry in the corner, or I can just think that what I can do or what could I have done like that time. What is in my control, right? So like if my manager has terminate me, then I was thinking that why he did this. That thing is not in my control, but still I'm thinking, I'm getting anxious with this thing. What I can just prepare for a new job. I can learn a new skill beyond the thinking of about the past or about the thing which I can't control. So it's the stoicism, and that book also has some more important like fearness or the comparison, and the new thought about your perception. Like someone comes to you, suppose you are happy, right? You are happy because you got a new job, you got a hike or something. Like you are about to tell us in this meeting, you are about to tell us, but someone comes to you first, and he said that, oh bro, I lost my job today. You know what has happened? Actually I have fight with some the street guy, so or something other incident. That moment you forgot your happiness. What happened with you? You got a hike, dude, you got a new job or something, but you forget because of the others, because you don't protect your thoughts, you don't protect your like what you are actually. If you have some happy news, then you could have also told him that, oh bro, I got a new job. Maybe you could be happy, but you got forgotten this thing. So this, and the other one is comparison, I think. Suppose we every day we post a new post on the social media, and we thought that everybody gonna like this, everybody gonna comment on the post, but one comment is enough to make you sad or
Motivated and
yeah,
demotivated.
But
demotivated, right? But why are we not thinking that I have posted my post? It is not in my control that what people are writing, people are liking my post or not, or it will be gonna hundred of millions or not. I have just, my thing was just to post the post, and I have done this.
yeah, we are social humans.
Not
Yeah,
my
so
thing
I think it's the thing is we are not
about.
emotionally mature enough.
yeah, and
That
we
is-
sometimes we deleted this thing for the others'
And Vishal-
happiness.
Yes.
Vishal, you have learned the Bhagavad Gita, so sometimes you felt like that it is like biased. Means it is written by there is a Prabhupada who is a writer. So it
I
is said-
remembered one thing from the Bhagavad Gita. This thing was.
Is it complicated Bhagavad Gita? That was
Like you will have to understand the vocab, the
Yeah, vocab.
devotees
Yeah.
vocab. I
Yeah,
think. You'll
the
have to learn.
one word
These are all
has
arms
one word has another meaning, or the another, what we say, the feeling at the same time.
the word has another meaning.
Yeah, you have to understand that what the
One
context
word
is
comes
going
every
on.
time, transcendental.
One word can express the whole paragraph.
Yeah. These type of things happen, and we can't understand what it does it mean.
they have
till
to
now
connect
I
with the
did
context.
read the Hindi version of Bhagavad Gita and Ramayana also. So
And
I'm just I
there
just
was a
thought
word
it
that
is
is
complicated to understand.
Ramayana is
there was a
quite
word
easy when we
translated.
read it
I
in
haven't
Hindi.
understand what does it mean. I have also experienced that.
I should start with some interesting book like
There isn't
what?
anything to understand the meaning of.
Your voice is breaking.
Yeah, your voice
Thing
is
is that you'll have to feel the meaning of the sentence or the paragraph.
Exactly what I said.
so
That,
the thing is that when you don't understand the thing, then how can you feel that?
and we have to connect with the context.
Like
What's going
yesterday we
on?
are talking about memes.
I have to search
Memes
the
tell
vocabulary of that.
make you feel like what that happened. But if you are not understanding that word, there was a word that transcendental, but I haven't understand. मतलब उसका ना हिंदी समझ में आया हमें, ना इंग्लिश का उतना समझ में आया.
What's
There
the
are so
meaning
many
of?
words in Bhagavad Gita. वो because we haven't felt, and in the vocabulary maybe we don't use so many times those type of words if we translate to the translator.
I also
We,
got
And
the
being
we
name
alone
of
haven't
that.
and
used
being
these things
alone is
ever.
also a book, no? Being alone.
No,
art
Subtle,
of being
the
alone.
art of like
The
subtle
art
art
of
of
the
being
being
alone.
alone, yes.
Subtle art of being alone.
The art of being alone. I'm reading that book only 100 or pages. You can. That is very
How
short.
was that is now I
Good.
will
It like it tells
read
you.
that book.
It helps you
Was-
to utilize your free time.
What?
It tells you. It teaches you to utilize your free time. That what you should do when you are alone. That is
I
not the
think
meaning that art of being alone. That
that
you
why
are
I put that.
single. That how can you spend your time?
I was
The
I,
meaning
thinking
of that
with art
book.
of the
I
being
think my
alone, he
people
will
have
tell
to
us
buy
something
a
how
book.
to be alone, how to stay single
Yeah,
all the
that-
time.
Nowadays,
buy a
this
book
thing
that is
Sire is
how to be a
doing
friend,
very good. That
not
how to live
how to
alone.
be alone.
They are spreading a lot of messy thing on the social media. How to be alone? Why they are
Prashant
Sire?
Maharaj.
Yeah, Prashant Maharaj was the like Sire person
Charlie.
who write the two line
sometimes
of
we
poems.
cannot, you know,
I don't
sometimes
think
we
so.
cannot
Because
justify
we
the
have
meaning of book by its name
Yes.
because there is a book named How to Kill a Man.
Yes. But that's not a thing. They will not share the remedies how to kill a man.
why do they write this type of books?
The,
Do they
Right.
do they not?
On the Instagram, the meme
I
was
think they
getting
don't have
viral.
time to do anything. That's why
Our
they write.
The girl is reading that book, How to Kill a Man.
You can also leave that
no,
part.
the meaning is totally different from its cover.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's
Yes.
why
But
that's
why-
why there is a that's why we say don't judge a book by its cover.
Yeah, I have said that.
Now I will buy a Art of Being Alone.
I think I have given a book, or maybe Vishal has given a book to Mahesh.
Yeah, but
5 AM Club.
but she returned in
That was-
15 days without reading
Yes,
any
but
single
that was a
page.
very complicated. I read the one page, but that was very complicated to understand, and I was not be able to understand from where I have to start.
The book is still there in Velocity.
You didn't get that book,
No.
right?
Every time when I go Velocity, I forget.
अच्छा मैं ही ले आती.
Book is nice, book is very good. The writer is Robin Sharma. I think so. The writer is Robin Sharma.
What about that book?
There is the book teaches you that how you can conquer your morning, how you can utilize your 5 AM
Motivation.
morning.
You are
Not
reading